I've earned 30 plus certifications, and I'm here to guide you to success on your exam. Welcome to the Ultimate MB-920 Exam Masterclass. Are you ready to crack the MB-920 exam in one go? You're in the right place. In this session, we'll arm you with powerful insights and hand-picked questions that can make all the difference in your exam performance. We've scanned the web using intelligent crawlers to gather the most critical and high-impact questions, all compiled into one powerful PDF resource. You can download it from the link in the description. Not only will we explore these must-practice questions, but we'll also share real exam experiences and pro tips to give you that competitive edge. Let's dive into the key questions that could shape your success. Question 1. A company plans to implement Dynamics 365 supply chain management. The company wants shop floor workers to register their daily work by using the production floor execution interface. Which two activities can employees perform by using the tool? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Schedule a production order. B. Register scrap quantity during production. C. Register raw material consumption. D. Clock in and clock out. Correct answer: B and D. Register scrap quantity during production. Clock in and clock out. Explanation: workers can easily record scrap quantities and manage time by clocking in and out, helping maintain accurate production reporting and labor tracking. Question 2. A candle manufacturing company plans to use Dynamics 365 supply chain management. The proportions of ingredients differ for each finished product. You need to recommend a manufacturing type for the company. A. Process. B. Lean. C. Discrete. Correct answer: A. Process. Explanation: process manufacturing supports variable ingredients, formulas, and batch-based production, making it ideal for products requiring precise proportion control like candles. Question 3. An organization has two legal entities. Items may be sold by one company only or by both companies. You need to recommend a solution to standardize the items across the legal entities. A. Lifecycle services. B. Item templates. C. Products and product masters. D. Product insights. Correct answer: C. Products and product masters. Explanation: product masters and shared products centralize item definitions, ensuring consistent item data across all legal entities for streamlined operations and accurate reporting. Question 4. A company implements Dynamics 365 Finance. Which two components can you use to create a financial dimension set? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Derived dimension. B. Financial dimension. C. Main account. D. Account structure. Correct answer: B and C. Financial dimension. Main account. Explanation: financial dimensions and main accounts combine to build dimension sets, allowing detailed financial reporting and flexible analysis across multiple business segments. Question 5. A company using Dynamics 365 Finance has determined they have been paying for products they did not receive. You need to recommend a solution to prevent this from happening in the future. A. Implement accounts payable for three-way matching. B. Activate change management. C. Implement accounts receivable for three-way matching. D. Use the vendor portal. Correct answer: A. Implement accounts payable for three-way matching. Explanation: three-way matching compares purchase orders, receipts, and invoices, ensuring payment happens only when quantities match, preventing overpayments and fraudulent vendor billing. Question 6. An international services company is implementing Dynamics 365 Finance. You need to help the implementation team set up the app. What must be created and configured first? A. Business unit. B. Chart of accounts. C. Project. D. Legal entity. Correct answer D. Legal entity. Explanation. A legal entity must be created first because it defines organizational boundaries and enables financial, operational, and transactional configuration for all modules. Question 7. A company implements the performance management feature in Dynamics 365 Human Resources. Which performance management component can employees create by using the employee self-service workspace? A. Goals. B. Workflows. C. Performance reviews. D. Performance journal. Correct answer D. Performance journal. Explanation. Employees can add performance journal entries to track achievements, activities, and development progress, supporting ongoing feedback and effective performance review preparation. Question 8. A company manufactures custom medications. You need to recommend a Dynamics 365 app that allows the company to manage concentration of specific active ingredients, trace ingredients, and substitute ingredients based on compound type. A. Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management. B. Dynamics 365 Product Insights. C. Dynamics 365 Customer Service. D. Dynamics 365 Asset Management. Correct answer A. Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management. Explanation. Supply chain management supports formulas, batch tracing, and ingredient substitutions, making it ideal for regulated, custom medication manufacturing requiring strict controls. Question 9. A company plans to implement a manufacturing solution that includes integrated rate shipping costs for distribution. You need to recommend a product to the company. A. Dynamics 365 Sales. C. Dynamics 365 Commerce. D. Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management. Correct answer D. Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management. Explanation. Supply chain management provides integrated warehouse, distribution, and transportation features, including rate-based shipping cost calculations for efficient logistics operations. Question 10. A customer owes two vendors $500 each for services performed. The customer wants to post a lump sum of $1,000 to a bank to cover the payments. You need to be able to track vendor payments individually. A. Ledger setup. B. Journal voucher. C. Bank reconciliation. Correct answer B. Journal voucher. Explanation. Journal vouchers allow posting a single bank amount while distributing detailed entries to each vendor, ensuring accurate tracking and financial transparency. Question 11. A retailer sells products using an e-commerce site, physical stores, and phone sales. Different processes are used for each order source. You need to ensure support for each type of sale. A. Case management and loyalty programs. B. A mobile app and online sales. C. A retail store, an online store, and a call center. D. A mobile app and a credit card gateway. Correct answer, C. A retail store, an online store, and a call center. Explanation. Dynamics 365 Commerce supports unified retail operations through online stores, call centers, and physical stores, enabling consistent sales processing across all channels. Question 12. A company wants to use sales, resourcing, project management, and expense tracking in a single application. A. Dynamics 365 Project Operations. B. Dynamics 365 Finance. C. Dynamics 365 Business Central. D. Dynamics 365 Human Resources. Correct answer A. Dynamics 365 Project Operations. Explanation. Project Operations unifies sales, resource management, project scheduling, costing, and expenses, offering a complete solution for service-based and project-driven organizations. Question 13. A company requires a workflow with 2 independent approvals for purchase requisitions above $10,000. You need to recommend the workflow element the company should use. A. Manual decision. B. Sub-workflow. C. Parallel activity. D. Conditional decision. Correct answer A. Manual decision. Explanation. Manual decision elements allow multiple human approval steps, enabling independent approvers to review and approve high-value purchase requisitions before processing. Question 14. A company is evaluating Dynamics 365 supply chain management for purchasing control of non-buyers. You need to recommend the functionality used to authorize purchasing. A. Request for quotation. B. Purchase requisition. C. Purchase invoice. D. Purchase receipt. Correct answer B. Purchase requisition. Explanation. Purchase requisitions ensure non-buyers request items through approval workflows, giving proper purchasing control and preventing unauthorized or unapproved buying activities. Question 15. A beverage company packs products only in quantities of 12 or 24. You need to recommend a process ensuring customers always purchase these predefined quantities. A. Set up purchase order multiples for the items. B. Configure a standard order quantity for the items. C. Create a purchase order and manually adjust order quantities. D. Set up a safety stock quantity for the items. Correct answer A. Set up purchase order multiples for the items. Explanation. Purchase order multiples enforce predefined order increments, ensuring customers buy only allowed package sizes like cartons of 12 or 24 units. Question 16. A company uses Dynamics 365 supply chain management. You run a trace on raw materials. Which 2 types of products can you see in the trace output? A. Finished products. B. Byproducts. C. Non-stocked items. D. Co-products. Correct answer A and D. Finished products. Co-products. Explanation. Tracing includes finished products and co-products because both result directly from production processes, providing full visibility into material consumption and output relationships. Question 17. Which 2 modules are included in Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management? A. Product Information Management. B. Dynamics 365 Remote Assist. C. Master Planning. D. Service Hub. E. Project Management and Accounting. Correct answer A and C. Product Information Management. Master Planning. Explanation. Supply chain management includes product information management for item control and master planning for demand forecasting, supply scheduling, and inventory optimization. Question 18. A company purchases Dynamics 365 Finance. Which 2 features can the company implement? A. Omnichannel. B. Manufacturing. C. Accounts receivable. D. General ledger. E. Payment fraud prevention. Correct answer C and D. Accounts receivable. General ledger. Explanation. Dynamics 365 Finance includes core financial capabilities like accounts receivable and general ledger, supporting billing, payments, reporting, and financial consolidation processes. Question 19. A company wants to display multiple master data records to add, delete, and update. You must recommend the form type. A. List. B. Fast tab. C. Parameters. D. Details. Correct answer A. List. Explanation. List forms display multiple master records in a grid format, allowing users to efficiently browse, edit, add, or delete data entries. Question 20. A company using Dynamics 365 Commerce needs features to prevent fraudulent activity. A. Asset management. B. Purchase protection. C. Cash and bank management. D. Loss prevention. Correct answer, B and D. Purchase protection. Loss prevention. Explanation. Purchase protection and loss prevention tools help detect suspicious transactions, enforce security policies, and reduce fraud across retail store operations. Question 21. A company uses Dynamics 365 Human Resources. You need to ensure workers can document their own performance relative to goals. A. Compensation management page. B. Personnel management page. C. Performance goals page. D. Employee self-service workspace. Correct answer D. Employee self-service workspace. Explanation. Employee self-service provides workers direct access to performance tools, enabling them to record progress, achievements, and updates toward personal and organizational goals. Question 22. A company implements performance management in Dynamics 365 Human Resources. Which component can employees create in the employee self-service workspace? A. Workflows. B. Performance reviews. C. Performance journal. Correct answer, C. Performance journal. Explanation. Performance journals allow employees to record accomplishments, feedback, and development notes, supporting continuous performance tracking throughout the review cycle. Question 23. A construction services firm wants standardized financial, payroll, and timesheet capabilities. A. Power Platform. B. Dynamics 365 Project Operations. C. Dynamics 365 Human Resources. D. Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management. Correct answer B. Dynamics 365 Project Operations. Explanation. Project Operations supports timesheets, costing, payroll integration, and project financials, making it ideal for construction firms managing labor and job-based expenses. Question 24. A company wants to analyze customer visit data using population-based maps and Power BI. A. Basic maps. B. Donut chart. C. Bar chart. Correct answer A. Basic maps. Explanation. Basic maps visualize geographic data such as store visits and population distribution, enabling spatial analysis of customer trends across locations. Question 25. A retailer deploying Dynamics 365 Commerce needs to scan items and collect payments using a physical credit card device in a browser window. A. Cloud point of sale. B. E-commerce. C. Power apps. D. Modern point of sale. Correct answer D. Modern point of sale. Explanation. Modern POS supports hardware peripherals like barcode scanners and card readers while running in a browser, enabling complete in-store checkout operations. Question 26. A company is evaluating the user interface of finance and operations apps. Which two features can you access from the navigation pane? A. Calendar. B. Favorites. C. Recent. D. Default company. Correct answer, B and C. Favorites. Recent. Explanation. The navigation pane provides quick access to favorites and recent pages, helping users navigate frequently used or newly accessed areas efficiently. Question 27. A company uses Dynamics 365 Finance and wants to configure ledger entries for importing letters of credit. Which business process should you use? A. Set up settlements. B. Manage letters of guarantee. C. Reconcile bank accounts. D. Deposit bank funds. Correct answer, B. Manage letters of guarantee. Explanation. Managing letters of guarantee supports recording, tracking, and posting related financial entries, enabling accurate accounting for letters of credit transactions. Question 28. A company implementing Dynamics 365 Commerce with Power BI wants predefined Power BI reports to use as templates. A. Data packages. B. Deployable packages. C. Content packs. D. Entity store. E. Report extensions. Correct answer, C. Content packs. Explanation. Content packs provide ready-made Power BI report templates, enabling rapid customization for commerce analytics without building reports entirely from scratch. Question 29. A company wants high-volume, near real-time reporting using Power BI and Dynamics 365 Finance. A. SQL Server Reporting Services (SSRS). B. Microsoft Excel. C. Power BI Tiles. D. Entity Store. Correct answer, D. Entity Store. Explanation. Entity Store delivers optimized, near real-time analytical data for Power BI, supporting large volumes and fast refresh cycles for enterprise reporting. Question 30. A company wants to replenish inventory for prototype products using only native supply chain management functionality. A. Internet of Things. B. Dynamics 365 Project Operations. C. Master Planning. D. General Ledger. E. Power Apps. Correct answer, C. Master Planning. Explanation. Master Planning automates supply recommendations for prototype items, ensuring timely replenishment using built-in forecasting and requirement calculation capabilities. 0 equals 3333333. Please revise full PDF 2 to 3 times for 100% success. Check the description for the PDF download link and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for upcoming episodes. Thank you.